Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to add staff on Shopify. Shopify staff account tutorial. Now right now I have two web browsers here. Left side is going to be our documentation step by step. And then the right side right here is a visual representation real time for your Shopify account. Alright? Now disclaimer, I'm using a 2-day left trial for Shopify. This is a free trial, so some features might not be available, but I'm still going to show you as a visual representation. So let's get started. First, of course, step 1, log into your Shopify admin or Shopify account, which is going to be looking like this on the right side. And then step 2, go to settings. Of course, we're going to go to settings here, lower section, lower left. Now once you're here, select users and permissions as a step 3. Once you're good here, look for the one that says click add staff. As you can see right here, it says staff accounts. Compare plans. That means this section or this option, or rather this feature in Shopify for adding staff should be for the paid plan. Since I'm using a free plan, this is as far as I can take for visual representations. So once you're here, simply click on add staff. Step 5, fill in the staff details such as email, name, address, and so on and so forth. Step 6, this is actually optional. You can choose what areas or give them full access. Step 7, of course, is send the invitation. Basically, that's it. You'll be good to go. Once they accept, they'll have access to your Shopify admin based on your permissions you have set. So those how the things on how to add staff on Shopify. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.